you hear them brakes squeaking, get them checked. See how messed up the rotor is. It's a whole groove in there. Whole lip shouldn't be there. Brake pad, metal to metal. Back pad got a little bit, but that front one, that's metal to metal. That's what messes up the rotor. Say sometimes if you keep riding, it'll mess up your rotor and your caliper to where you need brakes, caliper, and the rotor. That's why you gotta get it fixed before then. Let's just hope and pray when I take this a loop that the caliper goes in. The piston. Say boy out here comfortable. House shoes. Ask my boss if I could take a break in a minute.